Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here. So guys, I was just enjoying the view of this beautiful place before I decided to record a video. So guys, view this. See how beautiful this place is. This is Aga Khan Primary, if I'm not wrong. See how the swimming pool is. Wow, this is so nice, huh? I love this. Look at the buildings around. Hapo mtoto wako atakosaje kujua Kizungu? Aki ya nani? Anyway, guys, so today I decided to make a video on how I prepare minji, minji, yeah. And ndengu using the spices. Ever since I tried the spices, that food is so nice, delicious. So guys, let's go to the kitchen and cook. So guys, let's go and prepare. So guys, here we are. We have our minji here, cabbage, and our ingredients. Yay! Ha 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 ha. So we are going to use the turmeric. What is the name again? This is what I'm going to do. I'll just find out the name, then write it down below. So guys, I need so this is what I need as of now. Like I'm going to get tomato from the fridge. Sorry about this. So guys, here's our coriander, cabbage, our 2 pans, the ones we are going to use today. What you're going to do, on one pan we're going to add oil. So before you do that, you're going to blend our tomato and our onion.
So guys, on one side there's oil, on the other side there's ghee. Can you see the difference? The oil is super clean, the ghee is kind of cooking. Yay! So we're going to prepare this food the Indian way. Hey. We're going to prepare it the Indian way. So guys, we're going to add on the ghee, we're going to add 3 ghee. This is how it looks like. It's a little amount. On the other side, for our oil, we're going to add the oil. Sorry, the oil is not yet ready. So on this side, what we're going to add our onion.
And salt. So guys,
That is really, really scary. Make sure.
so guys, I've just added the peas. Here I'm going to add the tomato.
Tomato. Make sure your heat is low. Then stir. Imagine you're putting the other pan. So, now very careful. See your tomato is all come. Yeah? So guys, let us give and take another. So guys, I'm making me ready, like, as you can see. So we're now going to add our spices. We're going to start with the turmeric. This is the amount you use. Then, what is the name of this again? I'm going to
chili imekolea. So guys, after that add your ndengu. For Indians they call this black dal, but for us Kenyans it's just ndengu. I don't know if we call it black ndengu. Then you mix. Make sure you mix it very well.
Sorry guys, there's one thing I forgot to do. I forgot to add tangawizi. Here is my blended tangawizi. Sorry. Just a little amount, huh? Though it's really not advisable to add it here, but and one more thing, don't forget to add salt. We need salt for this vegetable.
So after adding that, there's one more thing we're gonna add. And on the other side, you can see how our minji looks like. So we are going to add the spices. Sorry, I'm going to do this off camera. I'm going to add green chilli. Going to add, but make sure you use a cup, a half full.
Yeah, that will be enough.
Yeah. I love this. Wow. And the food is really tasty. Wow. Guys, I'm really sorry my phone went off, so I was not able to show you how I continually, but this is how it looks like. The black mango, this is our rice, and a little bit of fruits, and here is our minji cabbage. So this is how we are going to eat. So guys, I'm really late. I need to rush somewhere. Bye bye. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to find out more of the tutorials on how to prepare the Indian cuisines. I'm really late. I need to rush somewhere. I just came in to see my friend, but I'm going somewhere. Bye. I love you all.